Hello, in front of me I've got REALME C25s. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable app drawer. In the beginning, let's tap and hold on the free space on the screen and go to More. Enter home screen mode and simply select between standard and drawer mode to enable or disable app drawer. Now let's select standard. And app drawer is disabled. Now let's go to settings, enter home screen and lock screen, home screen mode and select drawer mode. Select apply, switch, and app drawer is enabled. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.